Amani, what's the situation there?
Are you a business owner, coach, or entrepreneur who's tired of creating content on social media that gets little or no engagement? But if you're ready for a solution that attracts followers, attracts customers, and builds your influence, then you've probably thought about video, right? Stick around because I'm going to show you how easy it is to get started with video. Even if you're introverted like me, you have no idea how to get started, or you're just a little camera shy. Now, I don't know if you can relate, but a lot of people I work with feel overwhelmed, they just don't know where to start, and they just don't understand the process of creating a video. So if that's you, you're gonna love this video because by the end of it, you're gonna know exactly how to get started and how to create a video from beginning to end. I'm about to show you something that pros use to create videos, but you've probably never heard it before. Now I call it the video production formula. And depending upon where you're seeing this online, you can like, subscribe, or comment. And if you subscribe, be sure to hit the bell icon if you're seeing this on YouTube, because you'll get updates whenever I create more awesome content like this. Alright, so the 4 steps of the video production formula. The first thing is the plan. Alright, you got a plan. That's called pre-production. That's where you figure out your messaging, who your audience is, you figure out the technical aspects like the equipment, how you're going to go from idea to completion. So idea to editing. That's all you do in the pre-production phase, but it is the most important part of your video. Alright, so once you've planned your video, then you go into production. That's where you get the lights, camera, the action, you record your takes, you record you talking on camera, like I'm doing right now. This is the production. The third phase is called post-production. Now, if you go live, you don't have to worry about this phase. But if you're recording your video, like I recorded this one, that's where you'll edit your video. You'll add branding, you can add music, text, narration, anything to really put that special touch on your video to really jazz it up. And the final step is where you share your video. Alright, that's when you post it to Facebook, LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, wherever the social networks are that you want to share or be seen. That's where you share, and that's the final phase of production. Alright, so now you're ready to start making a video. Remember, pre-production is the planning phase, production is the shoot, and post-production is the edit, and then you gotta share your videos. Alright, but before you go out there and start doing it, ask yourself, am I ready to start speaking on camera with confidence, with authority, with a little bit of charisma? Because if you're not, then you're probably like the people that I work with. And I have a solution for that too. I call it getting video fearless. So just fearing making videos just a little bit less, because each time you make a video, you're gonna get more and more comfortable doing it. And I created a formula to help you do that really quickly and really rapidly.
The words just flowed out of me. Every day I got a little more comfortable being on camera.
And I could not have moved up a level like I have without being on video.
So if you'd like to learn more about that, then I encourage you to click the link somewhere around this video and sign up for my free 15-minute video confidence coaching call. And we'll discuss all the challenges you have and I'll provide some solutions for you. And it's free of charge. It's going to take the frustration out of your video making and put the fun into it. Look, I just want to help you conquer your fear, discover your confidence, to 5x your influence. So sign up for my free 15-minute video confidence coaching call, and we'll be talking soon.